Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Janie. If you're new here, I do videos on Squishmallows, Squishables, Build-A-Bear, Loungefly, Sanrio. Basically, anything that I think is cute goes up on this channel. So if you like that kind of thing, don't forget to like and subscribe because it really helps this channel out. And today we're talking about Squishables. So I wanted to place an order using my Squee membership, which I did a whole video about. Basically, it gives you free shipping for a whole year and a couple other perks. I broke it down in that video, but I hadn't put it to the test yet. So I was thinking, when they announced this beautiful cotton candy, I was like, perfect time to place an order and see how it works. But because this was a pre-order, everyone was eligible for the free shipping. So this won't actually count as my first order with the Squee membership. But nonetheless, I got that cotton candy Squishable, so let's check it out. I absolutely love cotton candy, so I've been dying to open this up. It's gonna be a little bit loud. Oh my goodness. Huge. All right, let's take this plastic off. I can't even take it out of the plastic. Okay, I got it. Whoa, 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 whoa. It's huge. It's beautiful. I absolutely love cotton candy. So again, it goes back to that carnival aesthetic that I talked about. I love cotton candy. I love Ferris wheels. I love gumball machines, which is what we talked about in the last Squishable video. I unboxed the gumball machine, which is also similar price point. These are like the standard size, so they are quite big. It's bigger than my head, that's for sure. And it's absolutely beautiful. It's part of their comfort food line. It just dropped, like I said, it was a pre-order. And it's gorgeous. It has pink, blue, and a little bit of lavender swirled in. It has bright, sparkly eyes with little stars on its cheeks. The cone itself is white with some blue stripes, and it is absolutely adorable. It also has a star on top. The thing about this one is because it's cotton candy, it's gonna have to like lay on the, first of all, I don't even have room for this, but because it's cotton candy, I had to get it. But when I find room for it, it's gonna have to lay down, obviously because of the cone, unless I get some kind of stand, kind of like what Build-A-Bear has, stand on its own. But I don't care because it is so cute. This is perfect. This screams summertime. Super cute, fun, fluffy cotton candy. It looks even better, honestly, in person than it did in the picture. The tag is just really long, so I'm probably gonna chop that later. But absolutely adorable. I would love to see this in a smaller version. I wonder if they're gonna do it as well. Sometimes they'll do it in a keychain. Sometimes they'll do the micro size. I had to open up the window. I'm overheating. But yeah, this is the cutest thing I've ever seen. I just want to hold it up to my face, but I have face makeup on, so I'm not gonna, I don't want to get it dirty. But absolutely adorable. We're gonna do a price breakdown. The reason I got the Squee Club membership is because I didn't want to keep paying for shipping when I would place orders. Obviously, this one doesn't count because it was free shipping if you pre-ordered it, and they have a bunch of pre-orders currently, so I'm going to talk about another one in a second. But disregarding the pre-orders, I didn't want to keep paying for shipping, and unfortunately I don't have a Squishable brick and mortar store. The closest one to me is in Long Island, which sucks because Squishable headquarters is in New York City. It's in Manhattan. I'm assuming there's no like full-time pop-up of Squishable in Manhattan just because it's so expensive, like rent-wise and all that stuff, because the only times we ever get it in New York City is during the holiday markets, the one in Union Square and the one in Bryant Park. I wanted to show you their website, but it's currently down and they're working on it. So let me just read it to you off of the receipts that I have, since I can't show it to you directly on the website. I'll probably put a screenshot once the website is back on, just so you can see what I'm talking about. Okay, so on the 3rd of May, I pre-ordered it. It was in stock and shipping immediately, but we still got that free shipping. So it was $48.99. All of the standard ones, which when I say standard, they're actually quite big. And it's the micros that are like the smaller version. It's always going to be a little bit bigger. Sometimes I like to pick them up at Barnes & Noble because I get the 10% off if you are a member of their program, which, side note, they recently did some changes to it. So now it's like premium memberships, but it's significantly more per year. Barnes & Noble, though, does not carry the entire Squishable line. Sometimes they'll have like fire trucks and like the gumball machine that I talked about, or a lot of Dr. Plague and Dr. Nurses. I didn't want to wait to see if the cotton candy one would eventually make its way there. So $48.99. $0.99. The next day they're like, all right, your pre-order came in and we've charged your credit card. We're packing the little guy up and it's going to head your way now, which is certainly not little. But again, $48.99. I ordered it the 3rd. The next day it told me it was shipping soon, and then the next day it actually shipped through FedEx. It took like 4 or 5 days to arrive. I'm just opening it now 40 hours a week, and I didn't have time to do it earlier, and I wanted to film me actually doing it. Typically I'll open things up off camera. Let's look at it one more time, because it is just, I love their comfort food line. It's just so much fun. I knew they were working on this because they have a page on their website, I'm gonna show you once it goes up again, that you can vote on designs that are up and coming, and the ones with the most votes go through the next round. See the drawing of this, but it's so nice to see it come to fruition. How beautiful. I love cotton candy. It's honestly too sweet for me and I can never finish it all. But this summer, I need some cotton candy. The birds are really loud today. I need some cotton candy because it's just the most fun. This is a kind of interruption that I'm okay with. It's this little sparrow singing. I see him too. He didn't like my whistling. So I'm super excited. If you like Squishables, let me know. I want to meet more Squishable fans because these are just the funnest thing ever. And I want to take it outside and take some pictures with it as if it's like a real cone of cotton candy, but I have no one to go with me. I do notice some fluff flyaways, but it's not too much. I will keep you updated in the description box on how it's shedding, but there's definitely some fluffies floating off of here. Yeah, weird. As long as it doesn't shed completely, I'm good. Also, it's quite heavy for the cone, so I have to hold it kind of closer to the base of it. But anyway, if you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. Like I said earlier, it means the world to me. It definitely helps out this channel. Feel free to leave a comment on what your favorite summer food is. I really love cotton candy, and I love like those rocket bomber popsicles. Those are really good. Anyway, stay safe out there. Don't forget your sunscreen, and I'll see you next time. Bye.